Hey guys, Rob Murphy from Holistic Healing Choices here. Now welcome to a new year and a new batch of videos and stuff that we have for you. So today we're taking a look at Mindful Souls. So this is like a little bit of a crystal alternative spiritual sort of subscription box set. So what they have in here is a whole bunch of crystals, oils, other little items that you might want to enhance your spiritual journey. So is it any good? Does it actually do anything for you? Let's dive in and take a look. Okay, so here we have our box from Mindful Souls. You can see our delivery address, which go for your life because we won't be there anymore after today. This is first actual look inside. Okay, so beautifully presented little box. Oh, hello, and we've got an idea of what we're getting inside. Rosemary essential oil, a dream catcher, Serenity Buddha figurine, pendulum of amethyst for a necklace, rose quartz little pointer, and white turquoise and lava stone bracelet. And a bit on the back as well. All good. Our little card, affirmation for creativity, my unique and creative talents and abilities flow through me. Is that a sticker? Maybe. Anyway, a little bit of brand advertising. Okay. So it looks like everything comes in a little satchel and is packed pretty well. All the little extra fluffy stuff. And a bit of elastic. So you got your lava shell and turquoise, that's all right. And the little bags are nice. Just like a little iron-on transfer sort of thing on them. And a bit of canvas. And we got our rosemary essential oil. Put that one in the spotlight. Get him out. And fragrance oil, rosemary. Okay, but we don't actually know where that came from. And if we just open that up. Yep, certainly rosemary. All good. And having a look at the box here, for use in a humidifier sort of thing, RHJY, I don't know what that, if that's the sort of brand that it comes from. And what have we got in this little satchel? This is our, oh wow, okay. Very nice little black stone. Okay, this might have been an extra add-on obsidian little thing that, so I just got a little tag on here. That doesn't actually tell us what that was. Cool. Next. So then we should have a little bit. Oh, so these are only, maybe these are only just some of it. Oh, yeah, here's our amethyst pendant. A little bit of an impurity, but hey, you get that with crystals sometimes. Very nice. Our dream catcher. Get the black stuff out of the way. Okay, so it's more of a little key ring. And this must be our quartz little pointer. Nice. Okay, so where's Buddha? Oh, he's in there. There he is. Very well wrapped up. Oh, I don't like the feel of that, but stone. And he's got little ear holes as well. For whatever reason. Look at you. Made of stone, but if it's hollow or not, it doesn't actually make that noise, so all good. And then a lot of packaging stuff going through that. No other little surprises in there for us. And then yeah, more design throughout the whole box. that seems to be about what's in the box. Okay, so here, that was what was in the box and what comes in, I suppose, what you'd expect every month. Something similar along those lines. Now, is it for everyone? Will any of this be used? Probably not by someone like me. I don't even wear my wedding ring a lot. And so, I can't see myself using a lot of it. The crystal pointer, yep, cool, I can use that in clinic. But everything else really isn't my thing. I can give it away as gifts, have it around and do stuff for people, or have them hanging around getting the energy from them if you believe in that. But these things, yeah, more for people who really want to accessorize their look and look more spiritual and be in that era. So, getting back to what I paid for all of this. So for a limited time, there was a discount code of Happy50, which was 50% off. So $35 for all of this. Some may say that that's a bit much, and that's 50% off. So normally you're looking around Australian, $70 or $69.99, whatever, for this whole box set every month. Is it going to be a benefit to you? Are you actually even going to wear, use, or do anything with any of this sort of stuff? Like, will you hang your dream catchers up? Will you use them? Maybe if you had a business or a clinic or something like that too. But maybe if you do wear the long flowing dresses with big pendants and chunky jewellery and stuff hanging off, cool. But I mean, I don't even wear a watch, a ring, anything, or a necklace. So for me, little ornaments like little Buddha here, that might be one thing that I can put around, put it in the clinic. But two, then you've got the religious sensibilities of everybody else walking in too. So for me, it's not going to be worth it. I'll be cancelling my subscription, but that was just an idea of what's in the box for you. The rosemary, the oil, sure, that's really cool, but I can get that from any sort of store as well. So for me, not worth the price, not worth the effort. I wouldn't even look at it otherwise, other than just doing it to get it on the video, do the unboxing, and actually have a look at the quality of the stuff that's coming out of it. And by all means, it is good quality stuff, even if it is just little cheap, sort of, not cheap, but little trinkety sort of things that a guy like me wouldn't use, no matter how spiritual and everything else I get, because I'm just not that type of person. I dress minimalistically, do everything minimalistically, so having crystals and everything else hanging off me, not going to be my jam. But if it's your jam, I can tell you what, like, these are the real deal in terms of crystals. So with the onyx, I know it's not going to come out on the video, but you can see, or obsidian or whatever that one was, there are little bits and pieces hanging off. The lava beads and the turquoise, yeah, it does seem like real quality stuff. And a little bead in there as well. So the quality of it is real. It is good, but for $70 every month, there's a lot better things I could do with that for me. So if it's up your alley, by all means, I'll leave a link down below for them. But for the rest of us, yeah, it's just another thing, or lots of things that you'll accumulate and go through and then trade them, whatever else you want to do with them. But for me, I'm not into stuff. That's just my honest opinion. Good quality, for the right person, it will be the right thing. But it's just like every other gift box. So your bespoke gentleman ones, your loot boxes, all those little mail subscription sort of services where they just send stuff. And what are you going to do with that stuff? Half of it probably you'll just end up sitting there for a long time until you throw it out or give it away or whatever else with it. Some of it will become like, that might be too big for my wife to hang around her neck all the time, but that's a decent little piece of amethyst. The obsidian one might be more her style because it's a lot smaller. We're just gonna have to see and see how it goes. Some of them might become your little favorites and you wear them every day, or you have some that you put away for those special occasions or retreats or whatever else spiritual people want to do with all these jewelry things. Other things like your little thing, You might hang that around somewhere else, you might hang that above your bed, might hang that in your car, although that might obstruct your vision a bit. Case is, good quality stuff. I'm the wrong market, but I can see what the value is in it. Is it worth $70? I don't know. You'd have to individually price what these crystals and how big and everything they are would cost, what the oil would cost. That would probably set you back about $12 maybe, I don't know. I don't know the price of essential oils off the top of my head. It may be very good value, but yeah, I don't see the value in it because I just don't wear it. But that is having a look and opening Mindful Soul's little subscription service. All up, I'm not going to say that it's a bad thing. I don't know what months ahead would go like. Would it be similar value? Would it be the same value? Would you start to see a decline in the amount of stuff that you get, as well as the value of that stuff? I don't know. I don't know. You'll just have to wait and see if this is what you want. But it seems like it's very easy to get on and unsubscribe from it, so that's what I'm going to do right now. But anyway guys, that is Mindful Souls. I'm Rob Murphy. I'll see you in the next video.